Who's ready for a fight? My little sister beating me up with a machine gun. I think I'll stick to bacon. Let's get to the kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. We are making Rocky Road. And we're gonna get it with super chocolate. Now let's get the ingredients sorted. These are the ingredients what you need. Marshmallows, white chocolate, biscuits, and milk chocolate, cranberries and butter. Put the butter and the chocolate in the bowl. A little bit of chocolate there. Get your adult to get a pot of water hot and melt the butter and chocolate together. Keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Now the chocolate is melted, we will add some ingredients. Let's add the marshmallows. Marshmallow stampede. I'll give that a little stir. And break up the biscuits. Let's do this a bit easier. Get a bag and get the biscuits in the bag and bash it. Oops. This is going to take some hours. If I'm nearly finished. Got it. Oh, I'm going to use this rolling pin. What's out? We need some little bits and some bigger bits and pour them into the bowl. What? I think we need a bigger bowl. That's better. Now I can mix it properly. Now add the bunch of chocolate and a bunch of cranberries. What? To make them extra special, put some orange in. Here, I don't zest it. get your hands in so everything is coated. Tastes good. Check. Smells good. Check. Looks nice. Check. I washed my hands and my adult lined me a tray. Put the mixture in the tray and squish it. Get yourself some greaseproof paper to help flatten it down better. Get another tray to squish it down properly. Ugh. There, nice and flat. Put chocolate on the top to get it super duper duper yummy. Get your adult to melt the chocolate. Pour the melted chocolate on top. That was fast. It's like poop. Oh, now it's like melted chocolate. Now spread it around. Now let that set. While I'm cleaning this chocolate bowl, I'm gonna melt the white chocolate. Drizzle the melted chocolate. Now as the chocolate drizzles, put it in the fridge for a night. Smash the like button like I smashed them biscuits. And subscribe and tap that bell and turn on notifications. Don't forget to watch my other videos. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Yay!